So, you want to fast track learning a programming language or framework of your choice, right? Okay, it is time to show you some basic things that would help you fast track your learning pace. They are listed and explained below. 1. Ask stupid questions. There is a sense in nonsense. Start by asking stupid questions and they will lead you to sensible questions. You don't want to be the stupid guy in the room. That is why you are scared of asking questions in case they are stupid questions. He who asks is a fool for 5 minutes. He who asks not is a fool forever. But ask Google before asking humans and make sure you end up with structured questions like, what is var in JavaScript? Why do we use it? When do we use it? When can we use it? How do we use it? What problem does it have? What is its advantage over others? Then, make sure you find answers to all the questions you form to have a better understanding. 2. Understand. Don't memorize code. Google can do that for you. It is very common for beginner software developers to memorize code. Instead, learn the concept the code represents and practice whatever you learned, and it will be stored in your subconscious mind. Don't stress yourself to memorize code. Just make sure you understand concepts and their use cases and other things by asking questions similar to the ones listed above. It is a general truth that you will find yourself googling silly things even when you are a professional. Don't waste time to memorize code. Just try to understand it. 3. Be patient. Slow and steady is fast. Impatience is one of the factors that slow you down. You want to know everything at once, so you scan through an ebook with 100 pages in just a day. Is that you? You watched a complete course with 21 hours videos in 2 days, and you expect yourself not to come back to it all the time. Hey, slow down. It takes time to learn anything. Rushing will put you in a loop of learning hell. Take a tiny bit of the language or framework at once and ask a lot of stupid questions about it. Find answers to those questions. You will develop your confidence in no time. That confidence would boost your determination, willingness, and interest in programming. 4. Make things even if you know just variables. Code less. Solve problems. The only difference between you and the developer you respect is power of creation. Create things that solve problems for others and you would understand a lot of concepts in the process. People can easily disqualify your knowledge. Maybe you don't articulate it as expected, but they cannot easily do that to things you created with your skills. Knowing is not enough. You must make things with all you have learned to get better. I am aware beginners may have difficulties to figure out what to make. Don't panic. I am working to fill the void. 5. Avoid distractions. Don't try to learn everything. Focus is very important to achieve anything. Make sure you don't jump from one programming language to another without learning what you have to learn. Doing that will slow you down. Anyway, if you get a job, you will probably start at an entry level or junior position. So, what the heck? You may also feel like other programmers are not brilliant and that is why they can't learn many things at a time. Hey, that thought is a trap. Don't fall for it. 6. Be consistent. It is easier said than done. People can easily tell you to be consistent, as I just did, but it is not as easy as said. One of the things that help you to be consistent is joining learners communities. Be part of some challenges like 100 days of code and many others, and make sure you see them to the end. Anyway, many people are not consistent because they want to build big applications and they are overwhelmed in the process. If you want to build something big, divide it to smaller units you can attend to hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. Don't be in a hurry to build the next React or Facebook. It takes time. Planning is key. If you can't solve it by hand, you can't solve it with code either. Many beginner software developers always rush to code anything. Instead, take your time to understand the problem and how to solve the problem and how to convert it to code. Research things you may need to learn, add or remove. This will save your time. Whenever you have to change things many times, you probably need to plan, but don't waste too much time on planning. Learn, code, debug, make things, and repeat. Don't give up when everything is too difficult. And when everything is difficult, remember, software developers are not people who find programming or coding easy. They are the ones who enjoy how hard it is. Click the subscribe button to stay connected to this channel. Bye for now.